Guys, you guys are welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. And if you come across this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. So guys, you can see I'm not really prepared for this video because I just received a package, so I just decided to do the unboxing with you guys. I received this, as you guys can see. It is called WEEBILL. You can use this to hold camera, and it is you can also use this for your phones. The phones one is available, is also available, but this one is not for phones, it's for cameras. And this one is for, you can see the front of the camera. So I just want to do the unboxing with you guys. Let's just get right into the video. So guys, this is it. I removed it. Came with this. It came with this nylon, so I decided to remove it so it will be less stressful. So this is it. It is called WEEBILL Lab. For those of us that are using what is it called, camera. I know some YouTubers, and even if you are not a YouTuber, you know some content creators and people like that. Some people that are doing videos, this thing is really, it will be helpful for you to use. So let me show you guys what is inside. If you are excited to see it, drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments. Say, I can't wait. I can't wait. So guys, this is it. This is the first opening. Let's open the second nylon. You are seeing my son. You guys can see my small daddy. My small daddy is showing at the background. No, don't cry. You see, it came with this. I don't know what this is. This is actually, yeah. So you can see WEEBILL-S. This is the start guide. This is for start. This is service card. So this one is for ZHIYUNTech.com. It's from ZHIYUNTech.com. So they are ZHIYUN, they are in Hong Kong, they are in USA, they are also in Germany. You guys can see, but me, I'm in Germany. You can see their card. This is the card of the company that made it. So let's just continue. I don't want to waste much time. So these are the things that are inside the camera, as you guys are, inside this stand actually. So this is the full, this thing, you guys can see. We have transmount image, these are all the list of things that are inside. You guys can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So when you finish mounting this thing, this is how it will look like. This is how it will look like when you finish mounting it. So let me just try and open this. I don't know if I'll be mounting it, but you guys can see it came with a battery. This thing is well set. You guys can see the battery. This is the battery. Yeah, this is where you put the battery. Where do I take this one from, Seth? Okay, I think from somewhere here. Okay, what else? I don't know what this is made for, but I'm just trying to, you know, it's something high. I think this one will be for where to hold our camera. So for those that are using camera, this thing is really useful. And what this thing, the reason why I love this what is it called, is that it always moves around. It moves around. Like for those people doing cooking videos, and you know you won't be able to stay in one place doing cooking video. So the thing will just be moving. It moves. So it's still locked. You guys can see what I'm trying to say. You guys can see it's moving. It will be moving like this. You can see. You guys can see it's moving. You can see it's moving. So it will just be moving around. When you finish setting it up, you put battery and all the necessary things. So if anyone is actually interested, can let me know. I can drop the link for you guys. So let me show you guys what else we have inside. Yeah, this is the stand. This is the stand. You put this here like this. I'm sorry guys, don't mind the quality of the video. Like I said, this thing just came in, so I just had to rush and do the review before, you know, let me show you guys. I don't want my, you guys can see the full look. You can see this is how it's gonna stand on the floor. And there are some, I don't know how to assemble, so I won't be, you know, assembling it here because I don't really know how to do that. So let me show you guys the what's inside this second one. Let's tear this up. I'm the one that open everything myself. You guys can see everything still has seal. This one are shara. Now everything that they call shara be this. And me open everything myself. Where will I open this one now? Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. I'm excited to see what's inside. What's this? I'm excited to see what. I'm sorry, I won't be opening this more than this. I don't want everything to scatter. You guys can see what's inside this. This one will be in front of. It's like it will be in front of the camera, like lens. I don't know how to say it. Like in front of the camera you are going to use. Let me see whether there is something I can show from the. You guys can see. This one, these are the things inside. This. It's written in, well, I don't know which language is this, so I won't be able to read it. So it comprises of these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items inside. You guys can see. So this one name is Transmount Servo Zoom Focus Controller. That's the name of this small one. Why this first one is WEEBILL-S. Is WEEBILL-S Zoom Focus Pro package. So if anyone is actually interested, you guys can let me know. So like I said, there's another one that you can also use for your phone, and it also moves like this. So if any one of you is interested, you guys should just, you know, as usual. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share. You can see the full look. And it also has some, you know, menu. I don't really know. I think this is where to on it. Yeah, you can see the sign. Yeah, this is the place to on it. You can see the sign of owning. It also have some things, but I don't know how to use this. You guys can see a lot of things to do on it. This is where to open. If you want it to be, you can see it's rolling by itself. If you want it to be rolling, you can see it's rolling. It will just be making your this thing to be moving in all around 360. You can see. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys for always, you know, coming back and watching my video. Even, you know, no one is perfect. I know some people will be like, your video is not perfect. I know my video is not perfect, but you know, I'm still trying to come up. So thank you guys for always watching. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to share this video because there might be some people that might need it. And don't forget the name also, WEEBILL. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.